In 2025, the housing market has changed dramatically. The era of tearing down walls and gutting entire houses for profit seems to be over. The return on investment just isn't there anymore. But there's a back door. Data from early 2025 shows that a minor kitchen remodel is currently seeing a 96% return on investment. That is a one-to-one dollar exchange between your renovation budget and your home's equity. Today, we're sitting down in our Proline showroom to have a conversation and break down the strategy on how to enhance the value of your home by using smart tech, upgrading your appliances, and specific design changes that really make a difference. All right, let's talk about the big shift. Buyers right now are cash poor, but they are mortgage approved, which means they can't afford to fix up the house after buying it. So they're paying a massive premium for a move-in ready luxury. This is where the halo effect kicks in. When a buyer walks into a kitchen, they don't see individual parts, they see a signal. If it's cheap, builder-grade appliances, they assume the plumbing and the electrical are cheap as well. But if they see professional-grade ventilation and commercial aesthetics, they subconsciously attribute that quality to the entire house. And that's your leverage point. This brings us to the centerpiece of the kitchen, the range hood. In 2026, health and air quality are one of the most important concerns among buyers. A microwave recirculating fan just doesn't cut it anymore. But here's the secret for flippers and investors: arbitrage. Most professional hoods cost upwards of $3,500, and that eats your profit. Here at Proline, we know that is a big concern, so we decided to operate a little differently. We do a factory direct model, meaning that you can get a commercial grade product that not only increases the value of your home, but it's something that you can actually afford. We are DIYers at heart, and we saw the gap that there was on the industry, and we decided to do something about it. So when you're buying an appliance that has a perceived value of $3,500, not only are you paying a fraction of the price, but you can also use the money to upgrade your countertops and add some smart lighting. I mean, that is exactly how you create equity. But then here's the thing. You don't just buy random appliances, right? You need to look at two things. First is the material. Look for 430 stainless steel for indoor use and upgrade to 3 or 4 if you're building something to withstand weather like an outdoor kitchen or a barbecue area. In 2026, that level of durability is almost mandatory if you're looking to flip a high-end home. Second is functionality. You want appliances that do more than just one job to save not only your space, but also energy. In a range hood, for example, look for ones that offer more than just blowing air, but adding the functionality of auto shut-off timers to be more energy efficient, or even dimmable lights so that you can transform your room from a bright workspace to a moody area. The same goes for the rest of the kitchen as well. Look for ovens that have built-in air fryer or dehydration models, which helps you declutter your countertops. You can also look at fridges with advanced water filtration systems. I mean, I could go on and on about it. The point is that the market we're in, buyers are paying a premium for appliances that solve problems, not just fill spaces. At the same time, you also want to look for appliances that won't disrupt your existing layout. For example, if you're replacing your microwave, you can go with an under-cabinet range hood, so you don't have to remodel your cabinets. It's about spending as little as possible and making the biggest improvements at the same time. One of the last things I want to talk about here is aesthetics we're seeing in 2026. The main keyword here is emotion. We're all familiar with that white look of kitchens that make you think you're in a hospital. This year we're moving towards more organic colors like warm woods, mixing metals, and textured tiles. We have a really great blog on our website that you can check out where we talk about our 2026 kitchen trends. So if you're someone that is interested in this topic, I highly recommend checking it out. We'll leave it in the description below. Whether you're a DIYer or investor, the math is all the same. Don't spend money on structural changes buyers won't see. Spend it on surface luxury. That is how you turn your kitchen renovation from an expense into an investment. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, check the link below to explore our factory direct catalog and start building equity in your home. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see some of your projects in the future.